Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Wanjira. Thank you so much for watching this video. So today I just wanted to take you through a quick tutorial on how to lay your edges. Yeah, so today I'll be using the molding gel normally used by people who have dreadlocks during styling. And basically what I'll be using an old toothbrush and the gel, and I just lay my edges. So watch through the video as I learn to work with this product which I have come to love. I've been for the longest time using the Eco Styler gel until I discovered this product. So I've been using it because I prefer it, because it does not flake, it does not also affect my hair, and I think to some extent it's a boost because I have seen my hairline grow and thrive since I started using the molding gel. Yeah, so watch through the video and let's learn together. So for any questions or comments that you might have, please just leave them on the comment section and I'll be able to engage and interact with you. Yeah, so I wish you a lovely time, and until on the next video, bye bye. Bye.